Hey, what's up, everyone? How you doing today? As you can see, I'm in my son's bedroom trying to record that video for you right in a quarantine at home and trying to be positive. If you guys don't know me, this is Hans, and this channel is Hans Media, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about optimism or being positive. If you know that it's the year 2020. If you're watching this 10 years from now, it's the year 2020 and we're in the coronavirus situation. And I'm trying to be positive with everyone. I'm trying to let everyone know that there's always hope. Today's April 12th, 2020. And I was so hesitant to record this video a long time ago. I was actually thinking to do it since the beginning, but I said, everybody's been doing videos, everybody's talking about the virus, everybody's talking about the situation. YouTube started to shut down the videos that are be talking about the situation, but I just wanted to talk to you about how we can gain from all this pain, how we can benefit from actually this strategy. And I will tell you my personal experience with almost 1 month. We're literally 1 month in the quarantine right now. And I think I've learned a lot, and a lot has changed in that department. First thing, I'm going to talk about my life, my daily life at home with my son and my wife. My wife been working. She's a pharmacist. She's been working the whole time, 5 days, maybe 6 days a week, helping people get their medications and everything like that. And I've been stuck with my son for the most of the time, and it was fun and not fun at the same time, both of them. Fun because I realized how much I was not connected as I supposed to be with my son. I used to work. Sometimes I work from my office, sometimes I work in my businesses. I'm always in a meetings. I'm always doing just like you and me, just like everybody else. So what happens is we think that we're spending more time with our families. Apparently we're not. So I used to go work and do some stuff and then come back home, play with my son a little bit, stay high, then go back to Netflix, go back home, go back doing my emails, preparing for videos, doing anything like that, and not spending that much time. Right now we have rituals. We wake up together. I prepare some breakfast for him, and then we do some online school thing. My son is 5 years and a half, so he's in TK, so we get some assignments from the thing, but that connection is really nice. I started to know what he likes and what he dislikes. I started to draw with him. I started to talk with him more. Then we go outside and do some playing, and then that connection, that talking between me and him, that these stuff, it helped connect well. So first thing to take positive from this quarantine is stay connected with your family members, stay connected with your loved ones. If you have a wife, if you have a mom, if you have somebody to take care of, this is the number one thing. Number two, start looking for stuff that makes you busy, because if you're not making yourself busy, you're gonna go crazy. And by crazy, I'm saying crazy. So start learning something. God bless YouTube. Really, guys, if this situation, we did not have internet, if we did not have YouTube, if we did not have any of these nice stuff that we have at the moment, a couple generations ago didn't have it, I don't know what would be the situation. But YouTube is here to help. I think you can easily learn a new craft or learn something that you've never thought you can learn. I have some friends that started learning piano lessons. I have some friends started cooking. I have friends starting studying art or graphic design or playing guitars. Or I've seen a lot of things. I myself started digging more into audio and how to like create more beats and enhance my music capabilities. I started digging more in cinematography and reading more and watching a lot more tutorials and videos. Start watching movies to learn and how to direct and how to get the best way. So YouTube is really helpful, really, really strong. It's easy. Just go think of the stuff that you need to learn and you can learn. You don't need to waste your time just watching Netflix or watching streams or just watching funny videos of cats and stuff like that. Learning. One other things that I've started to see people doing also is making their own YouTube channels. Doing the stuff that they do the best. I had a friend of mine, she's a cook. She loves cooking. She always does cooking, and then all of a sudden she decided to make her own channel. That was amazing. That's Clara. She's my friend. I'm gonna leave the link down there. Another friend of mine who was an actor back home, he started his own YouTube channel as well. I started talking about the stuff that he likes and the stuff he doesn't like. This time he needs to learn about editing. He needs to learn about doing the videos. He needs to learn about camera. So you're gonna find yourself invested in something and wasting your time in a very nice way. You're actually not wasting it. You're investing in yourself and your time. One more thing that I find really, really nice is the fact that these YouTube channels that started in that situation, later on, it might be your income or your backup plan for something like this could happen like next couple of years ago or 5 years from now, 10 years from now. You never know. All this big channels that you see right now started just like you and me from a very small point. They had 0 subscribers and people started to like their content and then started doing it more. So using YouTube to do something that you love and you try to engage with people and giving them hope, doing the stuff that you like. You're cooking, do about cooking. You play piano, do some videos about piano, teach people how to play piano. Doing acting, doing editing, just like what I'm doing, like anything. Do comedy, do stand-ups, do anything, like limitless. Like I've seen channels for stuff that I thought didn't exist. So these things are really, really gonna help both ways. They're gonna help you invest your time and don't get lost in all the drama or the negativity. But at the same time, it might help someone else, which is good. So these are the things that can help. That I'm not gonna tell you how bad the situation or how good is the situation or how financially impacted, because everybody's impacted. I'm home. I know a lot of people at home, like 80% of the people that are non-essential at home. But the good thing is that we can do something about it. We can connect. Use your phone. Call some of the old friends that you know. That's a good thing. Start calling these old friends. Scroll in your contact list and start talking to friends. See who's available, who's not. Maybe some of them needs just a phone call. Maybe some of them just needs a hi. Maybe one of them might use your help. Financially, emotionally, you never know. You can always find something useful and beneficial to do. Call your parents. Call your elder people. Maybe call your uncle. Call your extended family. Do the things that we always used to say in the past. Oh, I'm too busy to do this. I'm too busy to do that. Maybe it's time that we can do this. So I'm not trying to preach. I'm not trying to say that I'm a saint or I'm somebody that knows it all. But I'm trying to give you positive thinking or positive ideas of what can we do in that situation. And trust me, guys, we can do a lot of good things. We can do a lot of good things. Just creating something. Go in your garage, find a piece of wood and start cutting it and do something with it. You know, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but there are stuff that can be done. Use this time maybe to talk to your God, whoever God that you know or worship. Love your wife or your other half or your girlfriend or your whatever. You know what I'm saying? So do something positive. I've seen a lot of people just posting bad stuff online on YouTube and Facebook. Oh, this is how much people died. This is how much people are gonna die. This is how much businesses are affected. This is how much the stock market is affected. This is how much, and blah 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 blah. A lot of bad things. Stop the negativity. Stop being negative. Be positive. So please, guys, this video it could be useless for anybody, or it could be nonsense, but trust me, if it's gonna help one person to be better, I'll be so happy. I would be so happy. So yeah, stay good, stay home, stay creative, stay positive. That's all I can say. And you can benefit a lot watching my videos, actually, because I have a lot of nice videos on telling you how to be good on YouTube, how to start your own channel, how to search YouTube the right way, and some tips and secrets of how to succeed in YouTube. So if this is something that you like, maybe you can try to do that, so we can both benefit. You can watch my content, I can watch your content. And please, if you have a channel, or if you decided to have something related to our situation here, or you feel like your content might help, leave me a comment down below, right there. Comment with your channel name, and we can share and watch each other's videos and help support each other. If I see something that can be done or enhanced, or I give you a little tip or something nice that can be done to help your channel, I will help do it. You can catch me on Instagram on Hans Media or Hanny Hans. You have the comments down here. If you like this video and you feel like I'm saying something right, please like it. Press the like button. All right, guys, that's it. It's your boy Hans. Peace.